Join me as I take on the challenge of getting my hands on the all-new Tata Nano in 2025 and see if it lives up to the hype. The Tata Nano is back, and it's creating a buzz in the automotive world. For those who grew up with this tiny car, it's a blast from the past. The original Tata Nano was launched in 2009 as the world's cheapest car, priced at just $2,500. Its affordability and compact design made it an instant hit, especially in India. However, Tata Nano faced some tough challenges that led to its decline. Safety concerns were a major issue, with several high-profile accidents raising questions about its build quality. The car also struggled with market competition, as other budget-friendly options started to flood the market. Perception issues didn't help either, with many viewing the Nano as a symbol of cheap transportation rather than a reliable car. The Nano's reputation took a hit, and sales began to dwindle. Despite its affordability, people started to prioritize safety and features over price. Tata Motors eventually discontinued the Nano in 2020, but rumors of its return have been circulating ever since. Fast forward to 2025, and Tata Motors is said to be working on a revamped version of the Nano. The new model is expected to come with updated safety features, including improved crash testing ratings and more airbags. Modern technology is also on the cards, with features like touchscreen infotainment systems and smartphone connectivity. Consumer feedback has played a significant role in shaping the new Tata Nano. Tata Motors has been listening to owners and enthusiasts, taking note of their concerns and suggestions. The new Nano is expected to address many of the issues that plagued its predecessor, with a focus on reliability and performance. So, what can we expect from the new Tata Nano? Insiders claim that the 2025 model will boast a more powerful engine, improved suspension, and a sleeker design. Some even speculate that an electric version might be in the works, which would make the Nano an attractive option for eco-conscious buyers. The official launch date hasn't been announced yet, but sources suggest it could happen as early as mid-2025. Tata Motors is expected to make a major announcement soon, and fans are eagerly awaiting the reveal. In summary, Tata Nano's return in 2025 is significant not just for its nostalgic value but also for its potential impact on budget-friendly automotive options. If Tata Motors can get it right, the new Nano could shake up the market once again. If you are as excited as I am about the Tata Nano's comeback, share your thoughts in the comments below. What's your take on the new design, features, and pricing? Don't forget to check out my other videos on automotive trends, and I'll catch you in the next one.